Hello, my name is Rasmus Bro from the Chromath company. I would just like to give you a little example on how we can resolve overlapping peaks. Actually, let me give you a few. I have a session here. I have defined some intervals. They are colored by how well the chemicals found are matched in the NIST database. That's not the issue here. But let me show you this particular peak here. Actually, let me zoom out again and just show you the peak here. Here we are. I don't know if you can see, but there's probably some overlap here, and it's completely within the other peak. So there's basically no resolution at all. But if we go to the analysis window, we can look at how the data has been modeled here. And what you can see is that here we see the peak, the interval that we selected. And here we see the resolved peaks that are found here. And you see how nicely they are separated. We also get the mass spectra down here and the concentrations in each and every sample. But anyway, you see that even though this dark blue peak is completely within the other peak, we can very easily separate that here. Let me go back and find another. Let me see. I think I had one at 18. Let's see now. We'll zoom out and we will zoom in. Must be here. Okay, so what I was trying to do here was to identify this one, and I can see that there's another peak here. So I set an interval here, kind of disregarding this one. I just wanted to have sort of the whole peak of this one and this one. Let's go to the detail view and have a look. This is interval number 6. And in this particular case, it was determined that it was a 6-component model. Now, over here you can see they are colored in different colors. So one of these identified features is just modeling the shoulder. I'm going to turn off the view of that one so that we can see things a little bit better. The 2 green ones seem to be modeling just the baseline. So I'm going to get rid of those as well. I'm not actually getting rid of them, just getting rid of them in the view, and the same for this one. And you see here how nicely we separate these 2 peaks here. Again, they're not completely overlapped, but they're pretty overlapped, and we can nicely separate them from each other. So here we have the other one, completely baseline resolved. And this is not even, this is not the most extreme cases. You can sometimes find 3, 4, 5 compounds within an interval. So you can really resolve much more than you can with many alternative approaches.